Hello friends, welcome back to Half Tuber 81. Join me as I try to grow my aloe vera super fast in a new pot and see if I can double its size in just a month. Growing aloe vera can be a bit tricky, especially when it comes to potting it correctly. I've seen many people struggle with this, and it can lead to slow growth or even plant death. Aloe vera is a great plant to have at home, not just for its healing properties, but also for its aesthetic appeal. When you first get an aloe vera, it's usually small and cute, but with the right care, it can grow into a beautiful, full plant. The key is to provide it with the right conditions to thrive, to give your aloe vera the best chance to flourish after repotting. You need to choose the right type of pot. A pot that is too big can cause the soil to stay wet for too long, which can lead to root rot. On the other hand, a pot that is too small may not provide enough room for the roots to grow. A well-draining pot with a size that's just right for your aloe vera is essential. The right soil is also crucial for your aloe vera's growth. Aloe vera prefers soil that drains well, such as a cactus mix. This type of soil will help prevent waterlogged soil and root rot. You can also mix in some perlite or sand to improve drainage. When it comes to watering, aloe vera is a low-maintenance plant. You should water your aloe vera sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is the most common cause of death in aloe vera plants. So it's better to err on the side of caution and underwater than to overwater. Aloe vera loves sunlight, but it can also get scorched if it's too intense. A spot with bright, indirect sunlight is perfect for your aloe vera. East or west-facing windows are great options. Avoid direct sunlight, especially during peak hours, to prevent burning the leaves. Repotting your aloe vera is a delicate process, but with the right steps, you can ensure a smooth transition. Gently remove the plant from its old pot, taking care not to damage the roots. If the roots have become circling or growing out of the drainage holes, gently tease them apart. Place the aloe vera in its new pot, making sure the base of the plant is level with the soil surface, to ensure your aloe vera thrives in its new pot. Remember to choose the right pot and soil. Water sparingly and provide plenty of indirect sunlight. With these simple tips, you'll be on your way to growing a healthy and vibrant aloe vera. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how your aloe is growing or what other plants you'd like to learn about.